Welcome to the Healthy Guide, your go-to channel for tips and tricks to help you live a healthy life, stay fit, and achieve your goals. Today, we're diving into an incredible fitness challenge. What happens to your body when you commit to doing 50 burpees a day? Let's jump right in. Comprehensive muscle engagement. Let's talk about why burpees are the ultimate full-body workout. It works multiple muscle groups all at once. Your core, legs, chest, back, and shoulders all get a piece of the action. Plus, the dynamic nature of burpees means you're constantly challenging your body, leading to quicker results. This exercise even improves muscle endurance, helping you power through longer and more challenging workouts. Did you know burpees are a calorie-burning powerhouse? Let's break it down. Completing just 20 burpees can burn about 15 kilocalories, making it perfect for anyone focused on weight loss. And the best part? It doesn't require any fancy equipment or a ton of time. Each rep challenges your cardiovascular and muscular systems, ensuring you maximize your effort in minimal time. Burpees also fit seamlessly into interval training, supercharging your calorie burn in even shorter sessions. Here's a secret about burpees. They don't just stop working when you do. This exercise ramps up your metabolism, creating what's called the afterburn effect. Essentially, your body continues burning fat and calories for hours after you finish. This metabolic boost helps with sustainable weight loss, especially when paired with a healthy diet. Let's not forget about your heart. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that does wonders for your cardiovascular system. Every time you perform this move, you're not just building muscle, you're strengthening your heart and improving your oxygen circulation. You'll also notice lower resting heart rates and improved blood pressure levels. Plus, a strong cardiovascular system reduces your risk of heart disease, so it's a win for your fitness and overall health. Burpees are much more than a workout. They're training for real life. Each motion, whether it's the squat, push-up, or jump, mimics movements we do every day. Are you enjoying this video so far? If you are, make sure to subscribe to the Healthy Guide for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more people find this video. Have you tried doing burpees or taken on a fitness challenge like this before? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. One of the best things about burpees is that you don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even traveling, you could do burpees anywhere, anytime. This makes it easier to stick to your fitness goals and stay healthy without any excuses. Burpees work your core muscles intensively, which improves your balance, posture, and overall stability. Over time, you'll notice reduced back pain, better movement, and enhanced athletic performance. A strong core also boosts your confidence as you master movements that require focus and strength. Let's face it, we're all busy. But with burpees, you don't need to spend hours working out. A quick session of 50 burpees can deliver high-intensity fat-burning results in just a few minutes. It's perfect for those looking to live longer and stay fit without sacrificing time. Burpees involve dynamic movements that stretch and strengthen your muscles. Regularly doing burpees improves your joint mobility and flexibility, reducing stiffness and making everyday movements feel smoother and easier. You'll find greater ease in reaching, bending, and twisting as your body becomes more limber. Committing to 50 burpees a day is no small feat. It challenges your mental resilience, forcing you to push through fatigue and discomfort. But the payoff? A stronger mind and greater discipline that translates into other areas of your life. Mental strength gained from burpees can carry over to work, relationships, and personal goals. As you can see, incorporating 50 burpees a day into your routine offers an impressive range of benefits, from boosting metabolism to building mental toughness. The real question is, are you ready to take on the challenge? Are you ready to feel amazing, shed some pounds, and give your overall health a serious boost? Stay tuned, because I'm sharing 10 practical, proven tips to make every step count. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking can torch 150 to 200 calories depending on your pace and weight. Do this consistently, and you're well on your way to achieving major fitness goals. Walking boosts endorphins, reducing stress and lifting your mood. Add a backpack with light weights or use your arms more actively. And now you've turned your walk into a full-body workout. What matters most is consistency. Start with where you're at. and then challenge yourself gradually. Picture your daily steps as small building blocks that pave the way to big results. Even increasing your step count by 1,000 more a day can yield noticeable benefits over time. Remember, it's about progress and creating a habit that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. To lose 2 pounds, you need to burn 7,000 calories. That's about 140,000 steps. Don't let that number overwhelm you. Spread it out over 2 weeks by aiming for 10,000 steps a day, and suddenly it feels manageable. Create a playlist that pumps you up, or immerse yourself in an audiobook or podcast you can't get enough of. Explore new areas, a local park, scenic trail, or even a new neighborhood route can keep things fresh. If you've got friends or family, invite them along. Walking with someone else not only keeps you motivated, but also strengthens your connections. Add a dash of mindfulness to your walks. Notice the colors, sounds, and sensations around you. When walking becomes an experience rather than a task, it's so much easier to look forward to. Walking during winter or indoors, rain, snow, or freezing temperatures, no worries, you don't have to skip your walk. A treadmill is a fantastic indoor option, and you can even make it fun by watching your favorite show while you walk. Don't have a treadmill? No problem. Online walking workouts can guide you through effective routines right in your living room. No special equipment required. And don't underestimate the simple option of walking laps around your home or apartment building. Staying active, even when the weather doesn't cooperate, is key to sticking with your goals. Remember, the key to success isn't perfection. It's persistence and finding what works for you in the moment. Correct walking technique. Walking seems straightforward, but good form can take your experience to the next level. Keep your head up, shoulders relaxed, and your back straight. Your core should be lightly engaged, and your arms should swing naturally with each step. Avoid overstriding. It's better to take smaller, more natural steps. Proper posture not only makes walking more comfortable, but also reduces your risk of injury. Want to enhance your walks further? Focus on rolling your foot from heel to toe with each step, and keep your movements smooth and controlled. Good technique isn't just about looking good. It ensures you get the most out of every walk. Pace recommendations for health conditions. Everyone's journey looks different, and that's okay. If you're managing a health condition or recovering from an injury, start slow and listen to your body. The goal isn't speed, it's consistency and gradual improvement. Begin with a pace that feels comfortable and increase it as your strength and endurance grow. Walking is wonderfully adaptable, making it accessible to people at all fitness levels. Whether you're strolling at a leisurely pace or pushing yourself with intervals, celebrate your effort. Every step you take is progress worth applauding. It's about doing what works for you and enjoying the process. Gradual increase in load and pace. Think of building a walking routine like growing a plant. It starts with a seed and flourishes with time and care. Start with shorter, slower walks and gradually add distance before focusing on speed. This method not only helps you avoid burnout, but also minimizes the risk of injury. When you increase your effort step by step, you'll feel a greater sense of accomplishment and stay motivated. Set realistic goals and allow yourself to adapt as you go. The beauty of walking is that it's not about perfection. It's about showing up and giving it your best, one step at a time. So, which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, big transformations start with small, consistent actions. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and share this video with someone who could use a little walking motivation. Thanks for watching. Keep walking, stay healthy, and live your best life. You've got this.